Hey, how's it going everyone? Today I'll be showing you guys how to upgrade your lights on a Mazda CX-5. This is a 2013 through 2016 model, and these are for the regular halogen lights and not the HID units. Now today I'll be upgrading mine to a Philips Crystal Vision Ultra light. The low beam uses an H11 model light. Your daytime running lights or your high beam lights uses a 9005 model, otherwise known as HB3. I have a link for both of these in the description below where you can get the best prices on Amazon for these. Now let's start by removing your daytime running lights. The very first thing you want to do, of course, is make sure your car is off. Open the hood and let's locate where the daytime running lights are. Here you can see the right side and I will show you the left side next. Now, the very first thing you want to do is remove the connector. You simply push down on a little tab with your thumb on the connector, and at the same time you'll wiggle the connector in a downwards motion. This frees the connector from the light bulb. You can also use WD-40 or other oil to kind of get it to loosen up much more quicker. After you get the connector off, set it aside and turn the light bulb in a counterclockwise direction to unlock it. Next, you want to pull the light bulb straight out. Once you get the light bulb out, go ahead and set it aside. These are the factory Sylvania units, by the way. Now go ahead and grab your replacement or upgraded units. Like I said before, I'm upgrading mine to the Philips Crystal Vision Ultra. They are rated at 3750 Kelvin. And they look a little bit more like Xenon type of lights, but still retain the white hue. Here's some specs on the back for you to pause and read. Now installation is the exact opposite of the removal. Next, we're going to go ahead and replace the low beam light bulbs. Now the removal is the exact same as your daytime running lights, but getting to them is a little bit difficult. There's a protrusion on the light bulb housing which you have to kind of work your hand through. But I found it very easy just to come from the back and not from the side of the light bulb housing. Here, if you come from the back, you can already see the light bulb. The removal, like I said, is the exact same. There's a connector you have to remove. Twist the light bulb in a counterclockwise direction and pull it straight out to remove it from the housing. Now I also have links for other light bulbs that I do recommend in the description, and I'll be going over those at the end of the video. Here they use an H11 light for the low beam lights. Here's some specs. Again, you can pause it and read it. Now, after you get those light bulbs installed, let's go ahead and compare those with your factory units. I want to point out that the factory light bulbs look very outdated. Here you can see just how yellow and dim they look, and trust me, at nighttime they look very dark. When I'm comparing these to my Philips upgraded units, I mean there's just no comparison. Look at how bright these look. Look at how modern these look. They're definitely much more visible at nighttime, and they increase your safety as well. I have a link for both of these in the description below, but if you want a little something different, I have those too. If you're looking for more sportier type of light bulbs, I highly recommend going with the Philips Diamond Vision units. The Philips Diamond Vision are rated at 5000 Kelvin, which means they have a much more bluer tint than the Crystal Vision Ultra units that I'm using. They do appear more like HID bulbs, but they have a much more dimmer appearance at nighttime when driving. Now, if you want to go with the factory unit, I recommend going with the Sylvania Basics. These are basically what came on the vehicle from the factory. I have a link for both of these in the description below, and you can always get the best prices using those links. I hope you guys found this video very helpful, and if you do need to go ahead and review it, please do so at your leisure. Have a great day.